Forum Daily's cryptocurrency and digital asset update is up next. We'll hear from Catherine Murray, host of the Buck Stops Here, on the major developments in this rapidly evolving sector. Take it away, Catherine.
Thanks, Dima. Hello, everyone, and welcome to your weekly crypto and digital asset update. I'm Catherine Murray. Well, we have seen cryptocurrencies continue to be very volatile alongside U.S. equity markets and equity markets in general. We are actually seeing or have seen some moves higher in cryptocurrencies over the past 24 hours, but I am seeing Bitcoin trade down by about 2% right now with a 28,000 handle on it. Bitcoin's down by about 37% on a year-to-date basis and down by about 58% from its high back in November of 2021, which seems so long ago, and that high, of course, was 69,000. Interestingly, just given all the volatility that we've been witnessing, you are actually seeing a lot of options activity take place within cryptocurrencies, a lot of hedges being put on to protect positions within Bitcoin. Away from that, interesting to note on the funding front, there's a crypto compliance and analytics firm called Elliptic. They revealed that large cap investment bank JP Morgan actually participated in their October 21st raise of $60 million. I say interestingly because you are continuing to see these large investment banks in the United States participate and fund and invest in various areas within crypto and blockchain. In other words, further buy-in. Away from that, and also very interestingly as well, in terms of blockchain use cases, JP Morgan actually said that they completed a money market collateral settlement for BlackRock using a private blockchain. Apparently the process was frictionless, and the reason why this is important is because it could allow customers to pledge a wide range of collateral or assets outside of market hours. So again, another use case potentially for blockchain. Away from that, importantly here, when we think about further developments and the regulatory front, the ECB revealed in a report titled Decrypting Financial Stability Risk in Crypto Assets. One takeaway from that report is that the volatility in crypto has not resulted in contagion, but they think that the risk is increasing. That's their view. They also, of course, note that crypto's growth, the innovation, and the increased involvement from institutional investors basically isn't going away. And bottom line, they need to continue to look at this and look at how to regulate it. So interesting to note that we continue to see these large banks recognize that they've got to participate and figure out what to do with this. The ECB's Christine Lagarde, of course, has been a crypto skeptic. So no surprise to note that they go on to say that from her or their perspective, that crypto lacks intrinsic economic value, that there is the perception that is used in illicit activities. And then, of course, we note that there's a high energy consumption that they say makes this asset class highly risky. Again, that's the ECB's view. But of course, you continue to see so many other companies continue to invest in it. Interestingly as well, the crypto market is actually less than 1% of the global financial system. So I say interestingly because when we think about contagion and risks, again, it's less than 1% of the entire financial system. Also away from that, famed investor Andreessen Horowitz is launching their fourth crypto fund, $4.5 billion, a lot of money there in terms of just think about the money that wants to participate in this asset class. $1.5 billion of that will be to seed investments, and then about $3 billion to venture. Overall, his company has $7.68 billion dedicated to crypto and Web3. And also just note, of course, we want all sides of this conversation, that is for sure. Guggenheim Partners Chief Investment Officer Scott Menard says that he sees Bitcoin going down potentially to 8,000. Again, it's trading at about 28,000. The high was 69,000. So a lot of different views out there, no doubt about it. And also, I would just say, lastly, when we think about knowledge and just kind of getting up to speed in this area, a lot of us are, that is for sure. We're still at the very beginning stages. Block conducted a survey focused on the perception of Bitcoin in 14 countries. 9,500 participants were surveyed, and 51% said they cited a lack of knowledge as the main reason for not investing in Bitcoin. We're going to try to change that and increase the knowledge, that is for sure. Nima, back to you.
Thanks for that, Catherine. There's always a lot to learn in the world of cryptocurrency. All right, tune into The Buck Stops here with Catherine Murray for more analysis and news on the markets.